unmute and say Jai Gurudev? Yes. Yes, children. Today we are going to what? Learn a textbook exercise. Yes? For textbook exercise, and ma'am is going to recall the home for you once again, and you have some interesting facts for you also. Okay, so at the end of the session, ma'am will be asking questions, and the children already we have given the name. Are you all ready? Yes? Yes? Yes, children. Now we are going on to the facts. Yes, Kanchanam, are you sharing the screen? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Yes. Now we are going to see real interesting fact. It's going to be very interesting, and you're going to know about tree animals, right? Yes. What is there on the picture? What is there on the picture? Yes, frogs. You all see the frogs? Yes, where do you see the frogs? When you will see the frogs? When you will see the frogs? During rainy season, right? Yes. Okay, it keeps on quacking, quack, 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 quack like that, right? Yes. And very good. So the frogs or the, yes, very good. You could find it on the rainy day. Very good. And the, yes, is my voice low? Yes.
No,
Yes,
ma'am,
thank
audible
you so
only.
much. Yes. So these frogs are called amphibians. These frogs are called amphibians. What do you mean by amphibian? What do you mean by amphibian? Amphibians are the animals that live what? On land and in water. Amphibians are the animals that live on land and in water. You can see this animal, it lives both on land and in water. Whereas we are living on the land alone. Fishes are living only in the what? Water. Okay. See these frogs, they can live both on land and in water. And what is special about these frogs? Yes. How you people will drink water? How you will drink the water? Yes. How you will drink the water? Through the mouth. Isn't it or not? Yes. Yes. But see these frogs, they don't swallow water to drink. As we drink, these frogs, they don't drink water like us. Okay. Instead, they skim. Yes, they skim, observe it. Okay, they won't drink the water. Instead, they what? The skin will observe the water for this animal. Okay, something special, right? Yes. Shall we move on to the next one? Yes? Yes. What's that animal on the slide? What's the animal on the slide? How do you call this animal? Yes? Kangaroo. Yes, very good. Kangaroo. Come on, everyone, repeat. Kangaroo. You should not say kangaroo. Okay, it's kangaroo. Very good. Yes. What is special about kangaroo? Can you see in the picture what a kangaroo is doing? Yes. It's not using its legs to stand. See with what it is standing? With what it's standing? Come on, see the picture. Very good. Yes, very good. It stands with the help of its tail. See, it can use its tail as its third leg. Whereas, can we stand with our hands? Yes? You can use your hands to stand? No. But see these kangaroos, see they are standing using the tail. The kangaroo's tail acts as its third leg. Very special, isn't it or not? See the God's creation. Yes, superb. Yes, shall we move on to the next? Yes? Yes, very good. What is this one? What is this one? Owl. Yes? Owl. Ma'am, my voice is audible? My voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's audible.
See, parents, if my voice is low, that it means that you didn't get a proper signal. Sit in a place where you get a proper signal. Okay? Yes. Owls. So, what is special about the owl? Okay? So, we are having eyeballs, right? Can we rotate it? Yes, you can move your eyes, right? Yes, you can see right, you can see left, you can see up, you can see down. Yes, whereas these owls, they cannot move like our eyes. Okay, so owls' eye are not so well developed. This is not it. The eyes of the owls are not developed properly. So they are not eyeballs. So they don't have the eyeballs, but elongated tubes. Okay, so it is for this reason they can't roll or move their eyes. Okay, for this reason they can't move their eyes. See, their eyes got stuck. Okay, so how they can see around? How they can see around? Yes, so God has given the special feature that it can rotate its head. Can we rotate? Can we rotate like owl? Can you turn back? Yeah, yes or no? Come on, answer through the chat. Yes? Can you rotate? Can you rotate your head? Yes? No. But this owl, the God has given the best feature that it can rotate. Okay? Yes. Once again.
Is my voice clear now? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Yes. Yes, ma'am, I'm using my almost voice to say this. Yes? Can you hear me now clearly? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Very clear, ma'am. But voice is
ma'am.
very low, ma'am. Otherwise,
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Yes, children, now we are going to what? Recall the poem. We are going to recall the poem. Yes, children? Yes, are you all ready? Yes? Yes, children. Very good. Yes, I want everyone to sing along. Okay, children? Be on mute and sing along. Okay. No one looks the way I do. No one looks the way I do. I found out it is true. I found out it is true. No one. Yes, am I clear? Repeatedly, everyone are sending. Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is audible, but a previous headset which you used not was very proper, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
now I'm directly using my phone. Now it's clear?
Yes, ma'am. Little bit louder. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No one looks the way I do. No one looks the way I do. I found out it is true. I found out it is true. No one smiles the way I smile. No one smiles the way I smile. The way I dress is just my style. The way I dress is just my style. No one smiles the way I smile. No one smiles the way I smile. The way I dress is just my style. The way I dress is just my style. No one looks the way I do. No one looks the way I do. I found out it is true. I found out it is true. No one smiles the way I smile. The way I dress is just my style. The way I dress is just my style. I'm not so dark and not so fair. I'm not so dark and not so fair, but I love me and I'm rare. But I love me and I'm rare. I'm not so dark and not so fair, but I love me and I'm rare. But I love me and I'm rare. Sparkling eyes and fingers small. Sparkling eyes and fingers small. Sparkling eyes and fingers small. I don't mind not being tall. I don't mind not being tall. I don't mind not being tall. Sparkling eyes and fingers small. I don't mind not being tall. Yes, I am little and need little space. I am little and need little space. But my dreamland is a big, beautiful place. But my dreamland is a big, beautiful place. I am little and need little space. I am little and need little space. But my dreamland is a big, beautiful place. But my dreamland is a big, beautiful place. No one loves the way I do. No one loves the way I do. Nobody's like me, none of you. Nobody's like me, none of you. I am special, I'm glad to be me. I am special, I'm glad to be me. There is no one else I would like to be. There is no one else I would like to be. Yes, children. Now, Kanchana ma'am will start with the textbook exercise. Okay, children, are you all ready? Yes, now over to Kanchana ma'am.
Thank you, Ashwini ma'am. Jai Gurudev, children. Happy morning. Yes, are you all happy today? Yes, are you all happy today? Come on, sit straight and show a thumbs up sign. Are you all happy today? Yes? Yes, very good. Superb. So, today we are going to do textbook exercise. Okay, today we are going to see textbook exercise. Okay, this PPT will be shared in your class group. Okay, it will be shared in your class group and you can practice this exercise in your rough note. Okay, children? Yes, in your rough note or your last year's unused book will be there. No, in that you can practice. Okay? Yes? Okay, so before I start the session, I would like to ask you, did you all have your breakfast today? Did you all have your breakfast? Yes, those who had, show a thumbs up sign to ma'am. Yes, some of you didn't have. Yes, everyone should have breakfast in the morning before you come for online class. Okay, children? Yes? Yes, okay. So now everyone sit straight. Be very brisk. Okay? Yes. Okay, so now we are going to do textbook exercises. Okay? tick the correct answers to complete the following sentences. Once again, I'll repeat. Tick the correct answers to complete the following sentences. So, some options are given for you and you're going to tick the correct answer. Okay, children? Yes? Okay, so I want everyone to answer through chat. Okay? I want everyone to answer through chat. I'll be watching who all are responding. Okay? Only the names whom I'm calling alone will unmute and answer. But everyone should answer through chat. Okay? Those who don't know to type in chat, you can open your mouth and answer without unmuting. Yes, that also ma'am can hear. Okay? So now the first question is, the way I dress is, options are just beautiful, just my style, just rare. Listen to the question once again. The way I dress is just beautiful, just my style, or just rare. Now I want Mithun of 2D to unmute yourself. Mithun of 2D. Grija ma'am, kindly unmute Mithun of 2D. Mithun.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy morning, Mithun.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Yes. So what will be the answer for this question, Mithun? The way I dress is? Recall the lines and see. No one smiles the way I smile. The way I dress is? What will come?
Just my style.
Just my style. Wonderful, Mithun. Superb. Thank you, Mithun.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Claps for you. Very good. Yes. Yes. Claps for those children who have answered to chat also. Yes. Very good. Superb, children. Now, the second question is, but I love me and I am. But I love me and I am. The options are huge, fair, rare. But I love me and I am. Okay.
I'm done.
Yes, wait, I'll just call the person. They alone should answer. Okay, Mithun? Yes, you can go on mute. Now I want Nanda Rakshan of 2D. Nanda Rakshan of 2D. Happy morning. Happy morning, Nanda Rakshan. Yes, Nanda Rakshan is here. Ashwini ma'am, can you check that Nanda Rakshan is present for today's class? Yes, someone is on unmute as well. Ashwini ma'am?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
He is not present. Okay, someone is on unmute. No, you just ask them to go on mute. Ma, everyone be on mute. Yes, now Parvesh Dakshan. Parvesh Dakshan of 2D. Parvesh Dakshan of 2D is here. Happy morning.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Yes, happy morning, dear. Now you just answer to this question. But I love me and I am. But I love me and I am. Yes, just recall the lines.
I
You know the answer? You know the answer?
No, ma'am.
You don't know, huh? Yes, wait. Ma'am will just recall the lines. Now you check. I'm not so dark and not so fair, but I love me and I am. And I am rare. Repeat after ma'am. Rare. Very good. Very good, Kanna. Yes. Thank you, Parvesh. You can go on mute. Okay. Thank you. Now, the next question is, I don't mind not being. I don't mind not being. Options are small, dark, and tall. Yes, I want Sailesh of 2D. Sailesh of 2D, kindly unmute yourself. Sailesh of 2D. Ashwini ma'am, Sailesh is here. Kindly have a check.
Wait, ma'am, I'm checking. Wait.
Yes.
Silence came, ma'am, but voice is not audible, ma'am.
Okay. Sailesh, can you be a little bit louder?
Sailesh is there. He's on mute also.
Sailesh, kindly unmute yourself, dear. Other children, kindly answer through chat.
He's on unmute only, but we can't hear him.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Naresh of 2E. Naresh of 2E, can you unmute yourself? Yes, happy morning, Naresh.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Yes, Naresh. Okay, now listen to the question. I don't mind not being. What is the answer? Tall. Yes, very good, Naresh. Superb. Yes, thank you, Naresh. Thank you, Naresh. Yes, claps for you. Very good. Yes.
1 second, ma'am.
Superb, children. For those who are answering through chat, very good. Yes. Now the next question is dash eyes and fingers small. Dash eyes and fingers small. Yes, is Nikhil here? Nikhil of 2E? Nikhil of 2E here? Yes, happy morning, Nikhil. Yes. Dash eyes and fingers small. What will be the answer? The options are special, little, and sparkling. So what will be the answer? It's sparkling. Okay, not speaking. Sparkling eyes and fingers small. Yes? Yes, very good, Nikhil. Thank you so much, Nikhil. Very good. Super. Yes. Now next, Rian. Rian of 2E. Rian of 2E. Is Rian here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, happy morning, Rian.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Okay, now listen to the question, everyone. There is no one else I would dash to be. There is no one else I would dash to be. Options are like, love, glad. So what will be the like? Wonderful, Rian. Yes, superb. There is no one else I would like to be. Yes, very good. Superb. Yes, thank you, Rian. Yes. Okay, children, I want everyone, only few children are responding to chat. I want everyone to respond in chat as well. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, next we are going to
Ma'am, your voice
answer the following questions. Is my voice low, ma'am?
No, ma'am, audible.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay. So now you are going to see answer the following questions, children. Okay. So now ma'am will read out the question, and in the answer you are going to what? Answer the word that will come in the blank. Okay, children? Yes. All of you sit straight. Sit straight, everyone. Yes, very good. So now listen to the first question. Okay. How are the child's eyes and fingers described in the poem? How are the child's eyes and fingers described in the poem? Yes. Now I want Samrish of 2E to unmute yourself. Samrish of 2E. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Yes, dear. Now listen to the question. The child in the poem describes his eyes as, how he is telling his eyes are very? The child in the sparkling, wonderful, superb, Samrish. Thank you. You can go on mute. Thank you. Very good. Yes, Kana. Now I want Avanishwar of 2F. Avanishwar of 2F.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Avanishwar. The child in the poem describes his fingers as? How he is describing his fingers? What, ma?
Sparking.
Sparkling eyes and fingers? Big or small? Small. Very good, Avanishwar. Superb. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, thank you, Avanishwar. Okay, children. So now ma'am will read the answer. Listen. The child in the poem describes his eyes as sparkling and his fingers as small. Okay. He was telling no, he had small fingers. Yes? Okay. Now listen carefully to the next question. Listen carefully to the next question. Which place, according to the child, is big and beautiful? Which place, according to the child, is big and beautiful? Sam. In this poem, we named the child as Sam, isn't it? Okay. So now I want Gopi Kishan of 2F. Gopi Kishan.
Yes, ma'am.
Happy morning, Gopi Kishan.
Happy morning, ma'am.
Yes, now listen to the question. According to the child, his dash is a big and beautiful place. His dash is a big and beautiful place. I am little. Yes?
Yes.
I am little and need little space, but my dash is a big, beautiful place. What land?
Park.
No, he actually said no in this poem. One place is very big and beautiful. What is that place? Fairyland or dreamland?
Dreamland.
Dreamland. Yes, dreamland. Okay, wonderful, Gopi Kishan. Very good. Claps for you. Yes, you can go on mute. Thank you.
ma'am.
Is my voice low, ma'am? Yes, thank you, Gopi Kishan. Thank you. Okay. So now, yes. So now what we are going to do, this will be very interesting, children. Listen carefully. All of you sit straight. Come on, everyone, sit straight. Yes, okay. So today I'm going to ask you, I'm going to tell you a sentence. Okay, I'm going to tell you a poem line. In that, if it is correct, you are going to say true. And if it is false, false means wrong. Okay, if it is wrong, you are going to say false. Okay, if the sentence is correct, you are going to say true. And if the sentence is wrong, you are going to say false. Okay? Yes, are you all ready? Yes, if you are ready, you should show a thumbs up sign. Come on. Yes? Yes, very good. Okay, now the first question is, everyone looks the way I do. Just relate with your poem lines. Everyone looks the way I do. I want Jaganvel of 2F to unmute yourself. Jaganvel.
Morning.
Good morning, Jaganvel. Yes, now come on, tell me the answer. Is it true or false? Everyone looks the way I do. false? Yes, wonderful, because it was no one looks the way I do. Yes, but here it's given everyone looks the way. Very good, Jaganvel. Thank you. Yes, very good. Super. Now the second question is, but I am me and I am rare. But I am me and I am rare. Is it true or false? I want Kavicharan of 2F to unmute yourself. Kavicharan, are you there? Kavicharan of 2F?
I will tell mom.
Kana, kindly wait for your turn. Everyone will get a turn. Okay? Yes? Kavicharan is here. You can answer through chat. Ashwini ma'am, is Kavicharan here?
One minute, ma'am. 1 minute. Kavicharan.
Kavicharan of 2F.
Kavicharan. No, ma'am.
No. Okay, ma'am. Okay, children, you can answer through chat. But I am me and I am rare. Is it true or false? It's true, isn't it? Yes, because Sam told what he told. But I love me and I am rare. Yes, he is telling that he is rare, isn't it? Okay, now next question is, I am big and need big space. Listen to the question. I am big and need big space. So, is it true or false? I am big and need big space. So, what was the line actually? I am little and need little space. I am little and need little space. Yes, but here the line is given as, I am big and need big space. So it is false. Very good. So it is false. Superb. Okay, now the next question is, I mind not being tall. Is it true or false? I mind not being tall. Is it true or false? Yes? I don't mind not being tall. Yes, but here it's given as, I mind not being tall. So it is false. So it is false here, isn't it? In poem, the lines were, sparkling eyes and fingers small. I don't mind not being tall. But here it is given as, I mind. So it is false. Okay. Now moving on to the last question. No one laughs the way I do. Is it true or false? No one laughs the way I do. Is it true or false? It's true, isn't it? Sam was telling no one laughs the way I do. Yes? Yes, very good children. So now ma'am will tell the answers once again. Listen carefully. Everyone looks the way I do. Everyone looks the way I do. It's a false statement. Yes, so you see there, F is written there, isn't it? Yes. But I am me and I am rare. But I am me and I am rare. So it is true. It is true. Very good. Now the next question is, I am big and need big space. I am big and need big space. So it is a false statement. It is a false statement. Now next question is D question. I mind not being tall. I mind not being tall. So it's going to be a false statement, isn't it? I mind not being tall. It's a false. No one laughs the way I do. No one laughs the way I do. So it is a true statement. Okay, children? Yes. Now everyone sit straight. You're going to repeat after ma'am. I'm watching you all, you know, whether you're replying or not. Yes, I can see you all. So sit straight, everyone. Come on, sit straight. Yes, so you're going to listen carefully. The child in the poem describes his eyes as sparkling. All of you say this word. Sparkling. 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 Yes, loudly. I want everyone to say loudly. Sparkling. S-P-A-R-K-L-I-N-G. Sparkling. Now once again repeat after ma'am. S-P-A-R-K-L-I-N-G. Sparkling. One more time. S-P-A-R-K-L-I-N-G. Sparkling. Yes, children, you should practice this spelling. Okay? Yes? While you are practicing this exercise, I want you all to be familiar. You all should read the spellings and write. Okay? Okay. And his fingers as small. And his fingers as small. What is the spelling for small? S-M-A-L-L. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Very good. Now, according to the child, his dreamland. All of you repeat after me. Dreamland. Dreamland. One more time. Dreamland. D-R-E-A-M-D-R-E-A-M-L-A-N-D. Dreamland. Yes, I can see some children not opening your mouth. Yes, I want everyone to open your mouth and answer. D-R-E-A-M-L-A-N-D. Dreamland. One more time. Dreamland. Dreamland. Yes, very good children. Superb. So you should read the spelling for sparkling, dreamland, small. Okay, children? Yes, will you all do that? Yes? Say yes, ma'am, loudly without unmuting. Come on. Yes? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Very good. Superb. I want everyone to read and write the spelling and practice well. Okay, children? Yes? Yes? Yes. Very good, children. Okay. So you have any doubt in this poem? You have any doubt in this poem? Yes? You have any doubt? No. Did you all understand the poem? Did you all understand the poem? Did you all sing the rhyme? No. Did you all sing the poem to your parents? You all know the tune for this poem, isn't it? You all know the tune. You all know or not? No. Yes?
Yes, Kanchana ma'am, we'll be sharing the YouTube link to learn the poem tune.
Yes. See? We have done a YouTube link. Okay. In that, the tune for the poem will be there. Yes, you can play it and you can. Yes, Dharani, I can see your thumbs up. Yes, superb. Okay? Yes, okay. You can practice your tune by just playing the YouTube link. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, children. That's all for today's class. Keep smiling. Be happy always. Yes, have a nice day. Bye.
Yes, children. Jai Gurudev. Bye. Have a